Okay, so now I'm gonna start with the 120 grit and do the same thing that we did with the 80 grit. I'm gonna go ahead and take my mouse sander, use that Velcro, stick it right on that pad, twist it up, and then start again. But I'm gonna first put my mask on. Okay, mask is on and my safety goggles are on. All right, and I'm just gonna start again. Same thing, going with the grain, sanding with the grain. And because of the size of this, I recommend a mouse pad sander instead of an orbital sander, just because it's just so much easier. And this is a small wood, so it's easier just holding your hand, because a sander in this one, an orbital sander, one that automatically sands for you, it almost can be a little too rough in this scenario. So go ahead and sanding. Using this is so much easier, and it's quick. It won't take you long. Just getting those end grains there too. Sanding is one of those things that you think isn't important, but it actually is what makes the stain look so much better. It actually brings out the beauty of the wood. So even just that little thing's coming out, and that's going to be so pretty once it's stained. There you have it. Those four are done. I'll just wipe off in between. Now I chose hardwood on these because softwood can get, it's just kind of what it sounds like. Hardwood will stand a little bit more wear and tear. It won't be knocked around. Pine, you can get this wood at any hardware store. You can, Lowe's, Menards, Home Depot, all the things. But it also has a little bit more of a color to it. And this is just red oak. It's not like it's anything, an exotic species of wood or something. Just a nice little, it's just a nice wood that holds up to the hard stuffs that will be when you have it.